Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add video overlay to a photo in CapCut PC. So in here, I've already add an image or a photo. This one I add a solid color photo background and I want to add this video into the photo. So what you need to do is just drag the photo into the timeline like this. Let's drag it. Okay, you can adjust it like that, and you can see the video is on 3 seconds long. So I'm going to just make the duration longer, the photo duration longer, just like this. Drag it like that to the right, and to the overlay I'm going to remove its background. So click on the overlay, go to cut out, and here I'm going to just use the auto cutout. So the auto cutout is complete. Now the video background is removed, and just like that I've already add a video overlay to the photo. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.